So if you're facing a StockX login problem in 2026, yeah, like you can't sign in, password isn't working, or the app keeps failing, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. First, double check your email and password. Even a small typing mistake can stop you from logging in. Next, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email. This fixes most login issues. Now, make sure your internet is stable. Weak or unstable connections can block the login process. Next, update your StockX app or browser. Old versions can cause login errors or loading loops. Now clear your browser cache or app data. Corrupted files often stop login from working properly. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. StockX may block login attempts from unusual locations. Now try logging in from a different device or browser. Sometimes the issue is just your current setup. If it still doesn't work, StockX might be down temporarily, so wait and try again later. Finally, if nothing works, contact StockX support and provide your email so they can help recover your account. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX login problems step by step in 2026.